monkey, the baby of a cat. Some monkeys and whales too are born this way. Some baby animals hatch out of eggs that come from the mother's body. A baby horse comes from a horse. Hi kids, welcome to Kids Series E-Library. This is Bernice here, and today is going to be lesson 4 and it is about animal babies. Do you all remember the lesson 1, lesson 2 and lesson 3 that we learned few days back? Lesson 1 was about what is an animal. A living thing that moves and eats is an animal. Lesson 2 was about animals that move differently. Different animals move differently. A cat leaps, a dog runs, a snake slithers, a duck waddles, so on and so forth. The third lesson was about animals that eat differently, and we grouped the animals according to the different food they eat. Carnivorous, herbivorous, omnivorous and insectivorous. Carnivorous are animals that eat meat, and herbivorous are animals that eat only vegetables, grass, and omnivorous are animals that eat both meat and plants. And insectivorous are animals that eat insects. So it was very interesting to learn about all these things. Today we're going to learn about animal babies. All of us were babies when we were small. Even I was a baby when I was small. And when you were also babies when you were small. What is more adorable than seeing these babies? Today let's look at this cute, cuddly, lovely looking baby animal. All living creatures make new living things, just like them, and they reproduce. All animals have babies. And today we're going to see the different names that we give for babies. Can you tell me the name that is given for a human baby? A human baby is called a child. And the baby of a dog is called a puppy. The baby of a cat is called a kitten. And we will look into those names a little later. Every baby animal comes from a grown-up animal like itself. A baby penguin comes from a penguin. A baby horse comes from a horse. A baby beetle comes from a beetle. Animal babies are born in different ways. Some baby animals come right out of the mummy's womb. Horses are born this way. Cats are born this way. Dogs are also born this way. Some monkeys and whales too are born this way. Some baby animals hatch out of eggs that come from their mother's body. Penguins are born this way. So are beetles, frogs, and some fish. And when we are babies, we are taken care of by our parents. Our mommy and daddy, they take care of us. But do you know something? In the animal kingdom, babies are taken care of sometimes by their mother and very rarely by the father and mother, and some animals are not taken care of at all. Many animals do not look after the babies after they are born. For example, some frogs and and toads and many kinds of fish lay their eggs and let the babies to take care of themselves. That's sad, isn't it? But there are some animals which stay with their babies for a long time. The bird teaches the babies to fly. The mammals teach the babies to hunt food for themselves. That's nice, isn't it? There is an animal called puffin. And the father and mother puffin takes care of its pufflings. This is the one special animal which is taken care of by both the father and the mother. That's very interesting, isn't it? Just like human babies, the puffin takes care of all its pufflings. Let's look at the names of different animal babies. Look at the screen here. The dog's baby is called a puppy, as you all know. The cat's babies are called as kittens, that all of us know. The horse's babies are called as foal. The kangaroo's babies are called as joey. The tiger's baby is called a cub. The swan's baby is called a cygnet. The duck's baby is called a duckling. The goat's baby is called a kid. The rabbit's baby is called as kit. And there are some animal babies that are called as pups. The anteater, the bat, the coyote, the raccoon, the walrus, and the wolf. The babies of all these animals are called as pups. So that's about animal babies for today, children. I hope you learned the names of animal babies and we looked into how these different animals are born and how they are taken care of. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I hope you enjoyed seeing the pictures of these animal babies and the way they moved about here and there. The next lesson, lesson 5, is going to be about animals live in different habitats. Alright? See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.